Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock and enable the hidden education themes in Windows 11. Even if you're not using a school or education edition of Windows, that's right, Microsoft actually includes some exclusive themes for education users. These come with beautiful wallpapers and color assets that you won't find in the regular version of Windows 11, unless you know how to enable them manually. And don't worry, it's 100% safe and you don't need to install anything weird or sketchy. All you need is to make a small change in Windows Registry and I will guide you step by step so you don't make any mistakes. Just follow along and you will have the new themes showing up in your personalization settings in no time. Alright, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Now type this in, Regedit, then hit Enter. This opens the Registry Editor. You might see a message asking for permission. Just click Yes. Now on the left side, navigate to this path, and I will say it slowly, H key local machine. Software, Microsoft, Policy Manager, current device. Once you're there, you will probably see a bunch of folders. What you want to do is right-click on the device folder, choose New, then Key. Name this new key exactly like this, Education. Now click on the new Education folder you just created. On the right side, right-click in an empty area, choose New, then click the word 32-bit value. You're going to name this new value Enable Edu Themes. No spaces, just like that. Now double-click on Enable Edu Themes and set the value to 1. That's it. You have now enabled the hidden education themes. Next, we just need to restart your PC for the change to take effect. Click the power button and choose Restart. Once your system reboots, right-click on your desktop and choose Personalize, then go to Themes. Then boom, you will see 5 new themes added to your list. These themes are called Accurim, Captured Motion, Education, Flow, and Windows Spotlight. Each one comes with a unique wallpaper and accent color that makes your desktop look fresh and clean. Try them out and see which one fits your style. The Captured Motion theme has a really nice blend of colors and minimalistic art. It's one of my favorites. Now, if you ever want to remove them, it's super easy. Just go back to the Registry Editor, find that Enable Edu Themes value, and either delete it or change the value from 1 back to 0. Then restart your PC again, and the extra themes will disappear from your list. Simple as that. All right, let's do a quick recap. Open the Registry Editor, go to the correct pass, create a new key named Education, add a D-word called Enable Edu Themes, set it to 1, then restart your PC. After that, the hidden education themes will be unlocked and ready to use. This little tweak is a great way to personalize your PC, and it's fun knowing you have unlocked something most users never even see. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or if you want more cool Windows 11 tips like this one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy practical guides, and we have got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.